Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Knowledge is Power. Today I'm here with another medical related topic. I'll be discussing about cholesterol. I will mainly focus how to reduce cholesterol level in our body. So without wasting much time, let us start with our topic. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to click the bell icon below, okay? And please keep watching my videos and do share among your friends if you find this video useful, okay? Cholesterol, it is a waxy substance that is required by our body in a minimal amount. If the amount gets higher in our blood, specifically it can lead to certain diseases. It can cause peripheral artery diseases or any kind of heart diseases, okay? Therefore, today I will mainly focus how to reduce cholesterol level in our body, okay? Now, let us know what will happen to a person if his or her cholesterol level gets increased. Okay, so if the cholesterol level gets increased, the person will have blockage in the arteries, okay, because there will be fat depositions in the arteries or the blood vessels. It may lead to different kinds of heart diseases. The most common one is the atherosclerosis, okay. Now let us know why the peoples in today's generation used to get increased level of cholesterol in their body. People are so busy in their life nowadays that they don't get time to prepare their homemade food. Instead of consuming the homemade nutritional foods, they used to consume the fast foods or the junk foods. These junk foods or the fast foods are high source of fats, too much of oil, sugar, and too much of salts. So the best tip you need to follow is to avoid such junk foods or fast food. Okay, it is very necessary that though people are busy, they must take some time to consume the homemade foods, okay, which are high source of nutrition. So second prevention tip you need to follow is you need to control the weight. Okay, so how to control your weight? You need to do regular exercises. Not only exercise, you can do regular walking either in the morning or either in the evening. Okay, in the entire week you should do at least 150 minutes workout. Okay, it will help to burn out the fats. Okay, it will help to improve the metabolism also, and it will decrease the cholesterol level in our body. Okay, then thirdly, you should know how to calculate the BMI. BMI is the body mass index. So a healthy individual or the normal individual will have BMI 21. If again it gets more than 24, it can be categorized as overweight person. Okay, if again it is less than 18, the BMI of a person, then we can categorize that person as malnourished. Okay, these values I will include in the description. You can go through the values, and according to it you can maintain your BMI also. Okay, then thirdly, it comes to minimize the salt in your diet. Okay, salt as well as the sugar you need to maintain to avoid the risks of the heart disease as well as diabetes mellitus or blood pressure. Okay, then fourthly, you need to cut off the alcohol consumption or any kind of substance abuse. The last prevention you need to follow is regarding the nutritional diet. You need to adopt foods that are high source of fibers, okay, whole grains containing foods you can consume, then green leafy vegetables you can consume, fruits also you can consume in order to get sufficient amount of nutrition in our body rather than preferring the junk foods or the fast foods. Okay, then you can consume the vitamin C containing foods, lemon, oranges, amla. This can reduce the level of cholesterol in your body.
Person who is having increased level of cholesterol in the blood will have high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes mellitus, increased chances of getting stroke, and peripheral artery disease.
Now let us look at this chart. I will be discussing about the healthy cholesterol level by age. So the total cholesterol level in adult, it should be less than 200 milligram per deciliter, and in case of children it should be less than 170 milligram per deciliter. Then coming for the different types of cholesterol, you will get different types of cholesterol in our body. I will be making another video regarding those types, so just keep on your mind these names. First is the LDL, it should be less than 100 milligram per deciliter, and in case of children it should be less than 110 milligram per deciliter. Coming for the HDL, HDL it stands for high density lipoprotein. Okay, in men it should be 40 milligram per deciliter or higher. In case of women, it should be 50 milligram per deciliter or higher. And in case of children, age 9 or younger, it should be less than 75 milligram per deciliter. And the ages between 10 to 19 years, it should be less than 90 milligram per deciliter. Coming for the non HDL, that is the non high density lipoprotein cholesterol level, it should be less than 130 mg per dl. And the non HDL, in case of children, it should be less than 45 milligram per deciliter. Again, among the different cholesterol, the HDL is the good cholesterol and LDL is the bad cholesterol. Okay, the HDL is the high density lipoprotein, already I have mentioned, and LDL is the low density lipoprotein. So the good cholesterol, it carries excess level of cholesterol in our blood and again back to the liver, where it gets broken down and removed from our body. It means that high level of good HDL cholesterol can maintain your heart health. Okay, then coming for the LDL, that is the bad cholesterol. The bad cholesterol, it carries the cholesterol to our cells, but when we have this cholesterol in a higher amount, it can build up in our artery walls. Finally, it can lead to the blockage of the artery and it will cause narrowing of the artery, resulting in reducing the blood flow in the arteries. And as there is lack of blood supply, we call this term as ischemia. Okay, if there will be lack of blood supply, there will be lack of oxygen also, and it may lead to death of the tissue or the cells. Finally, blockage and necrosis occur, and it may lead to different kind of heart diseases, and heart failure is also common, and atherosclerosis is also common. So now let us focus some diets, some saturated fatty acids that may increase the level of cholesterol. So we need to avoid these items. Already I have mentioned in the prevention tips that you should avoid too much of salt, too much of sugar. The food items like bakery, full fat dairy products, red meats, processed foods, fried foods, oily foods, spicy. Already I have mentioned you need to avoid such foods. Okay. Again, now I'll discuss about some important foods that are high source of good cholesterol. Okay. Already I have mentioned some, but I will add again some few points regarding the good cholesterol level. Okay. The olive oil, the lentils, beans. Already I have mentioned these lentils and beans will fall under the category of grams. Then whole grains you can consume, high fiber fruit, fatty fishes, all these are good cholesterol. The good cholesterol will help the body to remove all the bad cholesterol, and eating these foods will help to increase your HDL level. Okay, hope you all guys got brief idea regarding the cholesterol. Today I have discussed regarding the normal values of cholesterol. Okay, different disease condition a person may suffer if his or her cholesterol level get increased, about the different food items I have discussed, so that you can overcome from the cholesterol level and different disease condition. So for more such videos related to medical or nursing topics and CH related topics, you can just comment down in the comment section below, and please keep supporting guys. And if you're new to this channel, please click the bell icon below. Okay, till then, take care and stay healthy and fit.